Hi guys! Are you looking to take your home security and civilian to the next level? Discover the power of combining smart home gadget for superior protection and a peace of mind. Today in this video, you'll learn how to integrate smart devices and optimize your home security like never before, enabling homeowners to take advantage of smart home gadget to protect your properties and loved ones. And whether you're working on a smart home or any other technology project, we've got you covered. You can send us your questions through the link down in the description box below, and our team of experts will get back to you as soon as possible. So smart homes are becoming increasingly popular, and for good reasons. They offer convenience, energy efficiency, and can significantly improve our home security and safety. With advancement of technology, we now have smart devices that can help protect our houses in ways that we never thought possible. So now I'm going to show you those 4 devices in detail. So first, I'm going to introduce to you the Smart Door and Window Sensor. It is an effective security alarm sensor for detecting doors and windows stay at open or closed status to protect homes and families. It consists of 2-part sensor magnet, like this, and you can put it on a door or a window, and it will notify you immediately on your mobile devices remotely once the alarm is triggered when the magnet is not stick on the sensor. And it is also compatible with other smart devices, and the connected smart home devices can be controlled on a single smart light application. And I'm going to show you later how do we connect to the smart apps. So this is a 1080 Smart Pen 2 camera. You can check and see what's happening in real time or recorded videos and talk to interact from a remote location whenever or wherever you want. You are able to pan and tilt with 114-degree rotation of up and down and 355-degree rotation of left and right, getting a large monitoring field of view. This camera can adopt 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi connectivity, and you can easily set it up with no need for the complicated cabling link to the router. Also, it is compatible with other smart devices and combined with Amazon Alexa and Google Home Assistants. Now you can have more convenience and modern lifestyle with a simple voice command. And also you can put SD card inside in order to record the video footage. So this is a smart siren alarm. It is a cost-efficiency alarm device that helps upgrade the security level with sound and lights to provide more reliable protection for property and your loved ones. And you can pair it with other smart alarm devices. Once any alarm is triggered, it will give out loud siren and lights, offering an effective warning. And also work with WiFi Hub to get easy connection, and combined with low power consumption and low battery warning, so you don't need to concern the power off issue to ensure the practice. So this is the Zigbee Smart Wi-Fi Hub that I talked about. It is an essential device that acts as the brain for the control and management of the entire smart home system, allowing you to move to the next level of living. Now it can be paired with various smart home devices and provide a wide range of uses. Also combined with Amazon Alexa and Google Home Assistants. So voice command can be used to achieve super convenience in controlling smart devices. So now I'm going to show you how to connect all the devices into one single Smart Life app. So now I'm going to connect all those devices together and make them work step by step. Now you can hear the camera is already waiting to be connected. We're going under a Smart Life app and we are going to add device. Let's add the camera first. Here we go, camera and lock. This is a Wi-Fi smart camera. When we reset a camera, we can always press down the reset button. Just hold it down so it will reset itself. When you hear the sound, it's already resetting. So give it a little bit of time. Let's hit next. And we need to enter our Wi-Fi name and password. Make sure all your devices are under the same Wi-Fi so they can work together. And you will see the QR code, and let's face it to our camera. So when you hear the loud beep sound, it's already connected. And it's now connecting to the device. It should take a little bit of time. Here we go. So now we have this security camera. And you can see this is a live video. My hand is moving over here, and it can pan and tilt when it detects someone pass by. So let's go out. Step 2, we are going to connect to our central WiFi hub. And when we reset this one, we need to use the needle since this is the reset button. Let's hold it down until all the lights are off. Oops. Okay, so it will reset again. The lights will turn back on. So move over here. We need to add device. Under gate control, we have the Zigbee. Again, we need to enter the Wi-Fi name and password. You can see it blinking already. So let's wait for it to connect. This is the central hub, so it will actually connect all the devices and give out commands. Here we go. It's already connected. Now you can see, done. And under here, I already add the sensor and the siren. Since it's actually the same thing, we need to press it down to the reset button until the lights is blinking and then hit add device again. That's why I already added. So next, I'm going to show you how to make a scene. So when we go under, for example, the sensor 2 here, we have a smart button. And now there's no scene, right? And we are going to make a scene by pressing this one. If, let's add, when the device status changes, sensor 2, door sensor, when it's open. Now, let's hit Dan. Dan, let's run the siren. Volume high, save it. And brightness control strong. Alarm time, let's make 3 seconds. Next, hit save. Now we have made a scene. So let's try it out when it opens. Their alarm will go off. Wow, that's very loud. Their alarm will go off as soon as possible, and also it will send notification to your phone. And this is how you make a smart home connection. So here are a few more considerations that you should keep in mind before you plan out your smart home system. First, plan device placement. Consider factors such as your device's field of view, coverage area, potential obstruction, and the blind spots. Second, ensure strong Wi-Fi signal because smart home devices all rely on stable internet connection. So before the installation, make sure you check your Wi-Fi signal strength in the installation areas. Last but not least, secure mounting. Ensure that all your devices are securely fixed in place so they won't move around. And thank you very much for watching. If you like our video, please like and subscribe our channel, Fast Cabling. And also, you can share it with your friends or family who might benefit from it.